having a good night?
Halo semuanya, apa kabar? Senang sekali melihat kalian malam ini. Apakah malam ini indah?
I have to say that it's such an honor to be here. I'm so happy to be here. I'm like a nerd and brought my own speech, but I hope it's okay that I take this opportunity to really just spend with you guys and tell you a little bit about my story.
Aku harus bilang bahwa adalah sebuah kehormatan untuk berada di sini. Aku sangat senang berada di sini untuk membawakan pidatoku sendiri. Aku harap tidak apa-apa jika aku memanfaatkan kesempatan ini untuk menyampaikan kisahku.
I'm not an activist. I haven't changed the world or led a campaign. I'm here to just tell you my path so that you hopefully can take something away from it, because I don't like being honest with, this is the truth. I don't like
Aku bukan seorang aktivis, aku tidak bisa mengubah dunia, aku tidak mengawal sebuah kampanye. Aku hanya berharap bahwa
being honest with press and interviews. I like being honest with you directly, which is each and every one of you.
Aku tidak suka jujur di depan pers. Aku tidak suka jujur di depan pers. Aku tidak suka jujur di wawancara. Aku ingin jujur pada kalian semua.
Because I feel like I can, and I'm just gonna start with the basics. So I'm 21, and my mom.
Karena aku merasa aku bisa. Mari mulai dari hal yang dasar. Usiaku 21 tahun.
My mom had me when she was 16, and I'm from Grand Prairie, Texas, and she worked 4 jobs and completely dedicated her life into making mine better. So
ibuku melahirkanku ketika dia berusia 16 tahun. Aku berasal dari Texas. Ibuku bekerja, mendedikasikan hidupnya agar hidupku lebih baik.
to me, she is the definition of a strong woman.
Bagiku, dia adalah definisi nyata dari wanita kuat.
And I love her so much because she's taught me those values so much.
Dan aku benar-benar mencintainya karena dia mengajarkan padaku nilai-nilai itu begitu banyak.
Thank you. I have been acting my entire life, and I have known since I was first on Barney, you know, that purple dinosaur that I hung out with.
Aku sudah berakting seumur hidup, dan aku sudah dikenal sejak berakting di Barney. Kau tahu yang dinosaurus warna ungu?
He's great. You guys are so motivating. I feel like I can say anything.
Kalian benar-benar termotivasi. Kurasa aku bisa mengatakan apapun.
When I was 11, the point being is when I was 7, I wanted to be an actress, and I wanted to live my dream. And when I was 11, I had a casting director tell me that I wasn't strong enough to carry my own show.
Ketika usiaku 11 tahun, aku ingin menjadi seorang aktris. Aku ingin mencapai mimpiku. Ketika umurku 11 tahun, seorang direktur casting mengatakan padaku bahwa aku tidak cukup kuat untuk membawakan sebuah acara.
And I'm sure all of you have been told that you don't have what it takes and that you may not be good enough and you don't have enough people supporting you, and you're being told all of these things when deep down it's all you want to do. You want to be a part of something great. You want to make something great.
Aku yakin kalian semua pernah dikatakan hal serupa. Kalian pernah dikatakan bahwa kalian tidak cukup kuat. Kalian pernah dikatakan tidak cukup baik untuk melakukan sesuatu ketika kalian ingin melakukan hal itu.
And it does more than knock the wind out of you, it crushes you when people try to tell you that you're not good enough. And it almost...
Dan itu lebih menyakitkan ketika orang-orang mengatakan padamu bahwa kamu tidak cukup baik.
Almost did for me, but there was my mom next to me, stronger than ever, and she said the most important thing is to always trust in myself. If I'm doing something because I love it, I should do it because I love it, and I believe I can do it. So
Itu hampir terjadi padaku, tapi ibuku ada di sampingku, lebih kuat dari siapapun. Dia mengatakan padaku bahwa hal yang terpenting adalah percaya pada diriku sendiri. Jika aku merasa aku menyukai itu, maka aku harus melakukan hal yang aku sukai.
Told me to keep going. Thank you. She told me and she taught me to turn the other cheek and let the critics be critics and let us just trust ourselves. So for me,
dia katakan padaku untuk tetap maju. Biarkan kritik menjadi kritik.
2 years later, I got my own show, and the first thought wasn't, oh man, that girl when I was 11 said I wouldn't carry my own show, and I did. I mean, I thought about that for a little bit, but I thought about what my mom said. My mom was like, you have to trust yourself, and I realized if I didn't believe that I could do it, I wouldn't be able to be here. And
2 tahun kemudian aku memperoleh acaraku sendiri. Lalu seseorang yang ada di sana mengatakan, oh itu adalah gadis yang saat usia 11 tahun aku katakan tidak bisa membawakan acaranya sendiri. Lalu aku memikirkan ucapan ibuku bahwa aku harus percaya pada diriku sendiri. Jika tidak, aku tidak akan berdiri di sini. Aku tidak akan bisa melakukannya.
I'm gonna say I live a very blessed life. I have so much to be thankful for, and a lot of you are a big part of inspiring me because I don't think you get it, and maybe you're not told enough, but you inspire me to be better, and we should inspire each other to be better.
Aku akan bilang bahwa aku punya kehidupan yang patut disyukuri. Dan kalian semua adalah bagian besar dari hal ini. Kalian semua adalah bagian besar yang menginspirasiku. Jadi kalian menginspirasiku dan kita harus saling menginspirasi satu sama lain.
I'm surrounded by people who are supposed to guide me, and some of them have, and others haven't. They pressure me. There's so much pressure. You gotta be sexy, you gotta be cute, you gotta be nice, you gotta be all these things.
Aku dikelilingi oleh orang-orang yang seharusnya mengawalku. Tapi mereka justru memberiku tekanan. Kamu harus menjadi seksi, kamu harus menjadi lucu.
And I'm sure you can all relate. You all have pressure that you have to deal with every day. I'm sure with school, with work, with friends, with parents, with family, with parents. I know sometimes with mine.
Dan aku yakin kalian juga merasakan hal yang sama. Kalian menghadapi pressure di kehidupan, pressure di sekolah, di rumah, di pekerjaan, dengan teman.
They tell me what to wear, how to look, what I should say, how I should be. Until recently, I had given in to that pressure.
mereka mengatakan padaku apa yang harus ku kenakan, apa yang harus ku katakan, bagaimana caraku bersikap, sampai kemudian aku menyerah pada semua itu.
I lost sight of who I was.
Aku kehilangan visi akan jati diriku.
I listened to opinions of people, and I tried to change who I am because I thought that others would accept me for it. And I realized I don't know how to be anything but myself.
Aku mendengarkan opini-opini orang lain, aku mencoba mengubah diriku, karena aku pikir mereka akan menerimaku jika aku berbuat demikian. Lalu kemudian sebenarnya aku menyadari bahwa aku tidak tahu ingin menjadi apapun selain diriku sendiri.
And all I really want you to know is that you are changing the world. I'm not changing the world, you're changing the world, and that's amazing.
Dan satu hal yang aku ingin kalian ketahui adalah bahwa bukan aku yang mengubah dunia, tapi kalian yang mengubah dunia. Bukan aku, tapi kalian yang mengubah dunia. Dan itu luar biasa.
Please just be kind to each other and love and inspire people, because let's do it. Let's change the game.
Jadi tolong berbuat baiklah kepada sesama, saling mencintai, saling menginspirasi. Ayo kita lakukan, ayo kita ubah permainannya.
The most important thing is that we learn and we continue to learn from each other. Please stay true to yourself. Please just remain who you are and know that we have each other's back. All of us have each other's back.
Bagian terpentingnya adalah kita belajar, kita terus belajar. Kita harus mempertahankan siapa diri kita, dan kita punya satu sama lain.
I'd be lying if I said that I've never tried to make myself better by giving in, because I have. But I've learned from my actions, and for all the things I've done, I'm proudest of that. I've learned from my mistakes. I want you to know that I know what it's like. Figuring out what types of friends you have, you are who you surround yourself with. So
Aku pernah dibohongi bahwa aku tidak akan berhasil. Tapi aku belajar dari kesalahanku, aku bangga pada diriku. Temukan lingkunganmu, temukan lingkunganmu. Kamu adalah orang-orang yang mengelilingimu menentukan jati dirimu.
I want to say, I hope I can inspire each and every one of you to just trust yourselves and to love and to be loved.
Aku harap aku bisa mengatakan bahwa kamu harus saling menginspirasi untuk mencintai dan untuk dicintai.
And thank you for allowing me to come up and ramble and talk to you guys, because this is such a beautiful thing you're doing. Be proud of yourselves. This is great.
Dan terima kasih sudah mengizinkanku untuk berada di sini dan berbicara pada kalian semua. Terima kasih. Dan itu luar biasa.